In the temple of the goddess Hathor in Dendera, there is a fresco depicting two people carrying objects resembling huge filament electric bulbs, connected by thick cables to a cubic box. When the painting was discovered, scholars declared that they could not identify these objects, which are considered to belong to the cult of the goddess Hathor. However, in the meantime, evidence has emerged to support the hypothesis that the Egyptians knew about electricity. Thus, the British researchers James Burke and Michael Charton presented several installations discovered in the Middle East and which probably served as electrolysis baths, as well as numerous metal objects made by this process. Papyri from the 12th dynasty and numerous references by ancient historians, including Herodotus, state that the Egyptian high priests often managed, during religious ceremonies or when the people revolted, to produce a kind of special effects, real shows of sound and light, which terrified the faithful. As it is reported, the statues of the gods were illuminated by blinding lightning that shot from the ceiling or certain metal objects hidden in the sockets, and in some temples the offerings were charred by lightning that appeared out of nowhere. The electricity used as a source of light would explain one of the most remarkable enigmas of the Egyptian pyramids. As is known, in the corridors, treasury rooms, and burial chambers inside many pyramids, the ceilings and walls are covered with paintings and hieroglyphs, but no trace of smoke from torches, grease pots, or other ancient lighting devices has been discovered. The question of how the light was obtained could not be solved. In the 1960s, the hypothesis that the corridors were illuminated by a system of bronze mirrors that reflected the sun's rays inside was very popular. Since there is no documentary mention of the existence of such a system, it was assumed that the process was a secret of the priests and pharaohs. Although such information should have been discovered in the secret archives of temples and palaces, many Egyptologists preferred to consider that it was lost, and the solution offered must be accepted as the only true one. After 1981, however, numerous British, French, and Egyptian researchers fought this hypothesis, demonstrating experimentally not only that the bronze mirrors were not capable of reflecting light intense enough to penetrate the places where the paintings are found, but that the system of corridors is so complex and so winding that even the chrome-plated steel mirrors used during practical demonstrations could not allow exploration of the interior of the pyramids without portable light sources.